Transforming a small bathroom into a luxurious hotel-style retreat is all about smart design choices, elegant materials, and the right balance of lighting, texture, and functionality. Even the tiniest spaces can be elevated to a high-end look with clever updates, sophisticated color palettes, and modern fixtures. Let us explore the most stunning ways to turn a compact bathroom into a luxury oasis. 1. Opt for a neutral, spa-like color palette. Luxury hotel bathrooms often feature calming, neutral tones such as soft whites, warm beiges, and elegant grays. These shades create a serene and open feel, making a small bathroom appear more spacious. Adding subtle textures like stone tiles, matte finishes, and marble effect surfaces enhances the overall aesthetic. 2. Maximize space with a floating vanity. A floating vanity not only adds a modern touch but also frees up floor space, making the bathroom feel bigger. Opt for sleek materials like glossy lacquer, wood veneer, or matte black for a high-end look. Wall-mounted vanities with built-in storage keep essentials hidden while maintaining a clean, clutter-free appearance. 3. Upgrade to a frameless glass shower. Frameless glass showers create an open and seamless look, allowing light to flow through the space effortlessly. They eliminate visual barriers, making even the smallest bathroom feel airy and elegant. Pairing the glass with rainfall showerheads and marble tiles enhances the luxurious appeal. 4. Elevate the shower experience with high-end fixtures. Replacing outdated showerheads with a rainfall or multi-jet system instantly adds a spa-like feel. Gold, matte black, and brushed nickel finishes exude sophistication, while smart temperature controls and LED-lit shower niches create a high-tech, hotel-inspired experience. 5. Install large, oversized mirrors. A well-placed oversized mirror reflects light and visually expands the space. Consider backlit LED mirrors or framed mirrors with metallic accents for a refined, high-end look. Mirrors with anti-fog technology or touch sensor lighting add a modern, hotel-like functionality. 6. Incorporate luxurious lighting elements. Lighting plays a crucial role in bathroom transformations. Layered lighting, such as wall sconces, pendant lights, or recessed ceiling fixtures, enhances the ambience. Soft, warm LED lighting around mirrors and under vanities adds depth and creates a 5-star hotel bathroom feel. 7. Opt for floor-to-ceiling tile for a seamless look. Extending tiles from the floor to the ceiling creates an upscale, cohesive design. Large format marble, travertine, or textured tiles add a rich and elegant aesthetic, making the bathroom feel taller and more open. 8. Bring in hotel-worthy accessories. Luxury hotels focus on the details. Upgrading your bathroom with plush white towels, gold-accented soap dispensers, and sleek, uniform toiletry bottles instantly enhances the look. Adding a neatly arranged tray with scented candles and essential oils makes the space feel like a 5-star retreat. 9. Use high-end materials in small details. Incorporating small yet impactful high-end materials, such as marble countertops, brushed gold hardware, or crystal drawer pulls, adds a touch of glamour. Even a simple change like upgrading to a stone or ceramic soap dish can elevate the bathroom's overall aesthetic. 10. Create a statement wall with elegant wallpaper. Adding a subtle yet elegant wallpaper design on one wall like a soft metallic finish, textured linen effect, or botanical prints introduces depth and character to the space. Choose moisture-resistant wallpaper to ensure durability in a bathroom setting. 11. Opt for a freestanding mini bathtub. If space allows, a compact freestanding tub creates a boutique hotel aesthetic. Modern, space-saving tubs in matte white or black finishes exude elegance and become a statement feature in a small bathroom. 12. Upgrade storage with built-in shelving. Hotels prioritize clutter-free spaces by integrating smart storage. Built-in wall niches, recessed shelves, or floating glass shelves keep toiletries organized while maintaining a sleek, open layout. 13. Add a touch of greenery for freshness. A small potted plant, such as a peace lily, eucalyptus, or orchids, instantly brings life to the bathroom. Greenery softens the aesthetic, providing a spa-like and refreshing ambience. 14. Use glass or mirrored cabinet doors. Mirrored or frosted glass cabinets add sophistication while reflecting light, making the bathroom appear more spacious. These details create an upscale hotel-inspired effect while providing practical storage. 15. Upgrade your hardware for a high-end look. Replacing old cabinet handles, towel bars, and faucets with modern, luxurious finishes like polished gold, brushed nickel, or matte black makes a world of difference. This simple swap instantly refines the space. 16. Choose a stylish, slimline toilet. Wall-mounted or slim-profile toilets enhance the modern aesthetic, saving space while adding a streamlined, contemporary look. Hidden tank designs with touch flush buttons mimic those found in high-end hotels. 17. Integrate hidden LED strip lighting. Soft LED strip lighting under vanities, behind mirrors, or along ceiling copes adds a subtle glow that elevates the bathroom's ambience. This indirect lighting technique enhances depth and gives a high-tech, luxurious feel. 18. Create a monochrome palette for timeless elegance. Black and white bathroom designs never go out of style. Crisp white tiles contrasted with matte black hardware, dark vanities, or statement mirrors exude classic sophistication. 19. Use glass partitions instead of walls. Hotels often incorporate frosted or clear glass partitions instead of solid dividers to maintain an open and elegant layout. In small bathrooms, this trick maximizes light and creates a seamless flow. 20. Keep the bathroom immaculately organized. One of the most significant factors in achieving a hotel-style bathroom is keeping everything tidy and well arranged. Minimalist storage solutions, labeled containers, and stylish organizers maintain the upscale look. Transforming a small bathroom into a luxurious retreat doesn't require a complete renovation. With smart design choices such as elegant color schemes, high-end materials, and sophisticated lighting, you can achieve the ambience of a high-end hotel. Whether it's upgrading fixtures, integrating stylish storage, or incorporating spa-like accessories, these changes make a small space feel grand and indulgent. Which of these transformations do you love the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching.